he's having a hard time getting a hold of my hairs.
Yeah, it could be. It's been so long since I've seen an inchworm inching along. Nana taught me a song. Inchworm, inchworm, measuring the marigold.
Here we go.
Seems to me, stop and see how beautiful they are. Inchworm, inchworm, measuring the marigold. Seems to me, stop and see how beautiful they are. Look at that. So cool.
Yeah.